Hello dear friends. We welcome you to our channel. Today in our review we present you fashionable haircuts for women 40, 50, 60, 70 years old for thin and sere hair. Please see the review to the end, and maybe you will find yourself stunning haircut. Every woman dreams of looking a little younger. Choosing the right hairstyle will help solve the main problem, visually rejuvenate the image and give thinning hair volume. Fine hair often looks flat, runny, and lacks volume. But, the right haircuts and styling will visually add volume to the hair. Choose your option on our channel and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be updated on fashion. Which haircut is best for your face type and hair structure? Stylists offer women many interesting haircut options that will help women to always be stylish and beautiful. Profile bangs will perfectly complement the image of a woman and help hide wrinkles on the forehead, and a short haircut with bangs and natural gray hair shows the status of a woman. Options for women with thin and sparse hair. We offer pixie bob, under the boy, bob Barbie with fleece. Volume at the crown is very suitable for older ladies. This hairstyle looks great with or without bangs. When choosing haircuts for women after 40 and older, it is important to remember that at this age, hair becomes brittle. So often hairdressers are advised to choose a short haircut. Choosing this haircut will help you find a large number of haircuts, ranging from feminine to energetic and creative. Hairstyles for this age are often created for medium hair length. You can make asymmetry. At the top of today's popularity was the asymmetrical bob haircut. If you make a haircut with bangs and give it volume with a boot, then you will be young for 10 years. Is it possible to look young at 50, 60 and 70 or 80? Well, of course, yes. A light bouffant that gives volume and careless styling can make a woman young at any age. It is this type of haircut like bob, pixie or under a boy that is very popular among many women today. This is the perfect haircut suitable for everyone, a great hairstyle that will make the look more unique. Asymmetry is suitable for practically everyone. The main thing is to choose the correct haircut. There are many options when choosing a haircut for women 50 and over. Be sure to consult with the hairdresser. If you choose a short haircut, then you are not wrong, as short haircuts favorably emphasize the shape of the face and allow you to look several years younger. In addition, short hair is easy to style. And in order to make the hairstyle more voluminous for owners of thin and rare hair, it is enough just to make a light bouffant at the roots. Today, multi-layer haircuts are also a current trend. For example, bob haircut allows you not only to create a creative bright image but also, thanks to the variety of this fashionable hairstyle, to choose the most suitable option for you. One of the best options for owners of thin rare hair is a tousled bob. Age is not a reason to stop the following fashion. To be fashionable, do these rejuvenating haircuts. A woman at any age should remain beautiful, regardless of whether she works or is already retired. A woman should devote time to herself, and especially to thin or sere hair. After all, a hairstyle like nothing else can show how a lady takes care of herself. It is important to take care of yourself and your appearance not only at the age of 20 but for women after 50 and over. Dear beauties, we wish you beauty and health. Take care of yourself, love yourself because it is one life. Thank you for watching the review to the end. The best thank you from you: subscribe to the channel, like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.